Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Zanele, also known as Cooking with Zanele. Tonight, I'm hosting friends for dinner party. I'm very excited. You all know me. My love of food is to share with people. Dinner party hosting tip: always get your table ready. Fresh flowers, nice, simple, and elegant. For this dinner party, I'm going to make the lamb riblets with Stella beer sauce, and I'm going to serve it with beetroot and butternut salad. Boiling my lamb riblets, I always use a stock or maybe just salt and pepper with water. I'm going to add Stella in this sauce just to elevate the recipe. Hey, adding sugar, paprika, bacon chops, cumin, ground cumin, garlic, yes, and mix it together. Now, the sauce has been cooked and reduced. I'm going to take the riblets from the stock in the sauce. My riblets are going to blow their minds. Let's raise the moment with Stella Artois.
So hard.